Schrodinger wave model. This is the one which is going on right now, atomic model, Schrodinger. Actually, this considers electron as a wave as well as a particle. We will not go into very much details because in the syllabus we have to discuss only the qualitative aspects of Schrodinger wave model, not the quantitative ones. It is very well prescribed in the syllabus. So, what Schrodinger says? Schrodinger includes Heisenberg's uncertainty principle as well as de Broglie wavelength here, and then he gives his atomic model in which he says that we have got suppose nucleus. Now, Schrodinger says that unlike Bohr, it is not compulsory that we will find the electron of first shell exactly at a certain distance from the nucleus. Bohr says this is not possible. He says, Schrodinger says this is not possible. It has already been proved by Heisenberg uncertainty principle that it is impossible to determine position and velocity of a particle simultaneously and precisely. So, obviously, Bohr lags here. Schrodinger includes this Heisenberg uncertainty principle here, and what he says that electron is only about probability of finding the position of electron. We cannot definitely say that electron will be present exactly here. Now, see what Schrodinger says actually. Schrodinger talks about only probability of finding electron. He does not talk about possibility. Schrodinger says that the positions, the locations around the nucleus, the space around the nucleus where probability of finding the electron is maximum is called an orbital, right. So, here comes the term orbital. Remember, Bohr talked about orbit. Orbit will be circular pathways, definite pathways. Orbital is only probability. If I try to draw here a 1s orbital diagram for hydrogen atom, then this will look like this. Probability of finding electron, it is 0 in the beginning in the nucleus. After that increases, becomes maximum. After that again it starts decreasing, and after some time again becomes 0. At this point, if you see from the nucleus, at this point probability of finding electron is maximum. Here more dots means more denser, more probability of finding the electron. So, at this point the probability of finding the electron is more. So, according to Schrodinger, this is orbital. Now, if we keep on moving away like here, after a certain distance probability of finding the electron here becomes 0. According to Schrodinger, the space around the nucleus where probability of finding the electron is 0 is called node, and the plane where the probability of finding electron is 0 is called nodal plane. Like this. Schrodinger has been highly successful in explaining the energy of the energy level diagrams of the atoms. It could explain the properties very well. Nowadays, in fact, even the periodic table is prepared based upon Schrodinger wave model only.